the forefront of everyone's mind needs to be that you market three things, right? You market yourself, and you market your services, and you market your listings once you're lucky enough to get them, right? Or you work hard enough to get them. You market yourself, you market your services, you market your listings. And everything you do, you look for ways to do that. And it doesn't have to be overt, and that's back to it takes time to make things happen. And so you just keep that in the top of your mind. You're always marketing what you can do. You market yourself, you market your services, you market your listings. And it takes time. And then something else, you talk about Seth Godin, and he's a great marketeer, and I love his books. They're short. And the one, Purple Cow, is the one where I got the quote, be different or charge less. You have to differentiate yourself from the competition. Real estate is a Me Too business. Most people in the real estate business, they take a listing, they put a lockbox on the property, they put it in the MLS, they run an ad, they hold an open house, and what else do they do? I mean, 98% of the agents do that. So if you're just going to do what they do, then the only way you can differentiate yourself is price, and you're seeing some of that in the marketplace. So you need to differentiate yourself from the competition. Now, one of the ways you can do that is I like these driving consumer forces, and I like to use them in all of my marketing and in all of my conversations because it's what consumers are looking for. And so if you add this into your conversation, it's what the buzzwords consumers are looking for. So consumers want speed. So what do you do in your service and the delivery of your services that brings things to your consumer faster? Because if you can articulate that, you're doing something that's different.